As I'm gonna open football cards and basketball cards, which some of the cards are already open because I didn't know that my phone was gonna die, just turn off for one reason. So yeah, here we go with the football cards. So yeah, here we have 12 football cards. Now let's go. We got Jarvis Landry. We got Gary Brandon. We got Rob Gronkowski. We got sidelines, Aaron Rodgers. We got ourselves a Colin Cup. I cannot pronounce his last name, but we got Jordan Williams, Michael Jordan. We got Daniel Brand, Braverman, Jason Witten, Danny Woodhead, Jason Smith, Toad Line, Tavian Austin. I like Tavian Austin because I'm from West Virginia. We got Loudris Green. And we got, yeah, that's it. Well, we also got this, but yeah. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, instead of doing the, those, I'm gonna do Guardian of the Galaxy, cards. So yeah, here we got a picture of one of the bad guys. We got Groot, the raccoon, whatever his name is. I don't know this much of these. Star-Lord. Oh, this stupid card. We got a picture here, nice picture. Here. Oh, there's two cards left to go there. Oh my gosh. A lot of nice pictures in these. I think I already had that one. Not saying that much in this video. I don't know why, I just ain't. I think I already had that picture. All I am having is the green lady. Finally have something. Well, I already have this lady. They're both sisters or something. I haven't watched the movie in a long time. That looks like Kevin Love. So I have to say for him. This is like the beginning of the movie picture. Oh my god, another picture of her and another one. Okay, finally we have someone else. And last but not least, I think I already showed you this guy. Now we're going to move on to the basketball card. We got Jarrett Jacks, which I already have this card, so I'm going to put it in here. Oh, I don't got this. I don't not got Chris McCall. We got Mason Plumlee. We got Jonas Valanciunas and JJ Redick. I like JJ Redick. All right. Yeah, here we go. With the second, kind of hard to wrap. Okay, we got Brandon Jennings, Terrence Jones, Rodney Hood. He goes in there. Andrew Wiggins, and I don't have him. Michael Gimmage. Okay, next one. Okay, really hard. Okay, we got Bryce Johnson. Alright. Ron Baker. Okay. Devin Booker. A sweet LeBron James thing. And last but not least, Girly Man. Okay, on to the next one. What one should I open? I should just open this one, I guess. I don't really care. Okay, so we got Jennings Fry. We got Heron Linson, I think. Joe Bollenmoby. Buddy Hield. And we got just look at that picture. Okay. We got another pack. We got Austin Rivers, similar to JJ Redick. We got Kristen Porzingis. Let's go. We got Thaddeus Young. Wait, I'm gonna just hold my camera like this. We got, actually no, like this. We got no boot pay. We got Dwight Howard. Let's go. We got Michael Benetti and Terrence Rock Jones. Okay, on to one of them other ones. Okay, here we go. Okay, so first we got a Kevin Love. Okay. Nothing fancy. We got a Kobe Bryant. Oh, I don't have this kind of gaming card of Kobe. We got name. I cannot pronounce his name, so I just call him name. Finally, we got Carmelo Anthony. We got name, and on to the next one. We got a Tim Duncan. Alright. That's good. And then his friend, LaMarcus Aldridge. We got Iman Shepherd. Alright. We got Rakeem Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. And we got ourselves Marcus Morris. Okay. On to the next pack. Geez, I did not know how many packs I had. Wow. Okay, on to the next pack, guys. We got ourselves another cool Jamal Crawford. Thought my video was on pause. We got ourselves Walter Taylor, Jeremy Lin, Clark, Miles Plumlee. Okay, here we go. We're opening up another pack. Yeah, that's right. I just said another pack. Yeah, another pack. We got ourselves Jeremy Lamb. Not Jeremy Lin. Don't get that mixed up. Jeremy Lamb. We got Brandon Biles. We got Frank Kamerksky, Wilson Chandler, and another Brandon, except it's Brandon Knight. Okay, on to some of the football cards. We still have one more basketball cards. It's okay. We got another Jeremy Langford, another Jeremy. Tyrann Mathieu, whatever. Paula Khalil, Drew Briss, Jermis Atoth, A tooth. You got Titans guy. I'm just kidding, it's Marcus. We got McCollum. Ooh, we got ourselves James Harrison's. No fly zone. We got ourselves another. Oh, the last 3 cards are on the floor. I'm on the floor. So shut the door. Brandon Cooks, because I'm gonna cook him. I'm just joking. We got Jordan Howard, CJ Price, whatever his name is. Dak Prescott. Okay, last but not least, this stupid pack. Okay, we got Marcus Televoluck, Courtney Lee, okay, Nicole Jaquick, Steven Adams, alright, this wasn't stupid, Tyler Johnson. Okay, that was like a billion cards there. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.